That was it. Well, good to talk to you. I'll try to hit this that repeater. Maybe I'll chat with you again sometime. I don't know how much you monitor this frequency, but I monitor it pretty much all the time. I have frequencies, not all the simplex frequencies, but quite a few of the major ones around here, and then have the other half of it set on the monaugen.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, so what I'm doing is I've got 5.2 up on the remote base. I monitor 5.2 on the remote just to see what's going on. I scan 5.2, 146, 5.4, 5.6, 5.8. Those are always the common ones. 147.42, 147.44, 147.50. Those are the simplex frequencies I've been monitoring. And then I monitor most of the 440 repeaters around here. As for repeaters, I don't listen to a lot of 2-meter repeaters. I'm mainly scanning the 220 and 440 on the repeaters.
Okay. Well, that's good. Keeps you busy anyway.
Yep, and also just installed a 10-meter remote on the 4496 also. So I have 2 remotes up all the time. On remote 1, I'm on 5.2 listening, and on the remote number 2, I'm listening to 29.6, listening for any 10-meter openings. So 4496 kind of just monitors, and you're free to use it anytime. I can send you the codes to it if you want the codes.
Well, probably not. At least not at this point. I have all I can do to just monitor and operate on the ones that I do.
Understand. But yeah, like if you ever get this open, I'm hoping for some good sporadic here or something on this spring to happen. I've been looking for a 6. But right now I just got the 2-meter and 10-meter, and then I have a 220 and a 440 remote also, but I don't have those enabled right now. So I just monitor 5.2 and 29.6. So anyway, well Stan, I'll let you go. It's good to chat with you. It's good to hear you. You have a great rest of the day here, and we'll talk to you later. W0KP, AI7J.
Okay, Kelly. Like I say, it's good to talk to you. We'll look for you on AI7J W0KP 73.